change the battery of your Casio watch, start by flipping it over onto a table. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the back of the case. By the way, if you don't have the tools, I recommend a really great little kit available in the description. It's very affordable and contains everything you need to maintain your watch. Once the 4 screws are removed, using a small pair of pliers, you'll be able to remove the cover. Next, I remove the white sticker to see what's underneath, but you can leave it in place. It doesn't change anything for the next steps. Remove the module from the watch case. You'll notice that the metal case covering the battery is clipped in a few places. Unclip it all to remove it. There you go. We now have access to the battery. Take a close look to the model number because you'll need to replace it with the same one. In this case, it's a CR2016. If you want to order one, you can go through the link in the description. It sticked a little bit on the circuit board, but it's quite easy to remove. Center your new battery like the old one. Always keep the positive side up. Now reinstall the metal cover, making sure everything is well clipped in. Really, it's one of the worst battery systems I've seen on a watch. Usually, it's much more simpler. I'm putting the sticker back in place just in case it had a purpose. Put the module back into the case and make sure your watch is working before closing it. Now, put the cover back in place and make sure the sealant is properly positioned. It's important to ensure the waterproofing of your watch. Put back the 4 screws and tighten them properly. And this is it. We are done. I hope the video was helpful.